Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L, stock number E1417X. 27,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Billet silver metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, including 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Town & Country seat 7, leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Stone go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row with seats 3. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights. Rear heat and air control. DVD player with wireless headphones and remote. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo, or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the backside, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back, have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. They are also heated, great for those cold winter days. When they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This Touring L has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for navigation. Radio. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. Okay. Very easy to control and manage your music. DVD player control, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Slide-out cup holders, power outlets, lots of storage space in the removable center console. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Liftgate and sliding door controls, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Town & Country has a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles a gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.